We'll guide you through how to check your iCloud email. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and you're wanting to go and check your iCloud email. We're doing a full guide on this, as there are different ways in which you may want to go and check it, so make sure you keep watching. For example, you may want to go and find out what the email actually is, or you want to go and check the inbox for it and the emails that it's gotten and received. We're going to be guiding you through this, so without any other further ado, let's get started. What you want to do is you want to come into your settings first of all, just on your iPhone. It should be on the home page here, or you can drag down and go and search for settings. Now, what you need to do is go to the top and you can go and find your account, tap there. Then what you need to do is you want to go down and you can go and find the option for iCloud and you want to go and tap there. Then you want to go down to saving and tap there. In here, you need to go down and find the option for iCloud Mail and you want to go and tap there like so. Now, what you can do here is you can go and see your iCloud email. So you can see mine there. Then what you can do is go and switch on use on this iPhone like so. This means the account is then going to be added onto the iPhone and we're going to be able to go and check the inbox for it. So let's come out of the settings like so. And so then to go and check the email inbox, what we need to do is go and locate the Mail app. As you can see here it is. You can go and drag down and go and search for Mail or just find it on your homepage. Now, if you're already in a mailbox, you may need to go and press the back button in the top left and you should then get back to this page and you should see the option for iCloud. And you can also come down the page and find iCloud and tap on it to expand it. And you can go and see the different boxes here. So you can come into inbox and you can go and see it there and you're then able to go and check it. So hopefully with the help of this guide, you've now managed to go and find out what your iCloud email is. You've gone and checked it and you can also go and check the inbox for it as well. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. If you've got any suggestions as well, feel free to go and drop them down below and we'll go and see if we can make a video on it. I look forward to helping you in the next guide whenever we can. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to. And also feel free to check out the channel for more information and guides as well. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon. Thank you for watching.